Hi all, how you doing tonight? I wanted to show you tonight about a fennel bulb. So fennel is something that I just love. It's really sweet tasting, and I use it almost all the time in replacement of celery. So it adds a nice flavor. You can do it a lot of ways. You can have it raw in a salad. You could make your vegetable saute with it. So tonight I'm having fish. I have some halibut that I have out, and I have it seasoned just with Old Bay seasoning. And Old Bay seasoning has a lot of different flavors in it that I really like. Celery salt, spices, paprika. So I like it with fish. So I'm going to saute the fish and do a sauce with it. So what I'm doing first is I'm going to saute the fennel and onion together until they get really soft. Then to that, you add in some tomato sauce. I like it with the basil in it. It's got a nice flavor to it. And then I'm going to add some capers, olives, a little bit of horseradish, some lemon juice to make it be more of a fish kind of base to it, and some Worcestershire sauce as well. And then that added to the fennel, onion, tomato flavorings, you just pour that over the fish when your fish is just about done, and it absorbs all the flavor, so it's really good. So first thing you want to do with the fennel is cut off the bulbs. Hi Jessie, she's watching me. And I keep this. I use those for salad dressings, so don't throw the fronds away. I have a little bowl I put them in. So now your stalks are cut off. You have this guy left. Cut them in half, and then cut them in half, and then you have that root at the bottom. So I'm gonna cut the root off, and I don't need that. And I'm gonna do it the same over here. This guy's actually not so bad. So then you just cut them in slices, and then we're gonna just saute them. So it's really simple. So my fennel's cut up. I'm going to add that into the pan with some onion, and then add the rest of the flavorings. When I have that all kind of sitting there, then I put the fish in and let it cook for like 10 minutes. I have asparagus to make on the side, so I'm just going to steam that. We're good to go. So dinner is really about 20 minutes away. So I will show you guys finished product pictures. And I always love the messages and comments, so please comment, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, you can private message me on Facebook Messenger. Hope your night is doing great, and I'll show you the finished product later. Good night. Have a good night. Here for you, coaching.